Okay, we made it to Hartford. Going through the tunnel. Just a moment here. 84s really sucked. I was pretty lucky before because I was stuck behind a plow truck. So I was just sucking the sand, you know. But ain't so lucky now. Under the bridge here, there's no, nothing here, but at least it gives me a lineup of where I'm supposed to go. So, a little progress. I'm here by exit 48, Trinity College, University of Hartford. So here we go. Alright, tubers, I'll update you in a little while. Thanks for watching.